Me and Senzo made it to the semifinals.
I don't like it at all. I can't commit.
Hey, man.
Yeah, we're going to qualifying right now. It's gonna be pretty hectic though. I think it's like over 30 heats of 4 skaters, and we're gonna go skate. It's gonna be tight.
It was a successful day. Me and Senzo made it to the semifinals. It was a fun day. Everyone skated super good. Yeah, we made it to tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Got it, Senzo?
I just ran him over.
Good work, dude.
I just ran him over. He was in the way.
Red Dragon.
Yeah. I don't know. He was a good cushy landing though.
What's that FSU? We're at the Teletorn, and I guess this used to be an old like TV broadcast. I guess I don't even know what it is, dude. But they're gonna allow us to go up there and check it all out. See what's up with the Estonia from bird's eye view. It's pretty high up there, man. So yeah, my stomach's already dropping a little bit, dude.
Dude, that's a joke. This thing people proof? Yeah. I hope so. What? It's like, eject. Dude. I gotta stand
On the top of Estonia, and it's crazy out here. It's cold. Dude, I'm like sketched out. I know I'm strapped in, but dude, it's no joke, man.
Dude, I can't look down.
You gotta look down.
I'm just treating it like a jacuzzi, like I'm just leaning back, dude. You don't like it at all. I can't no way. That's it.
I've invested my life into these straps.
Just don't. That was kind of sketchy. Tony went over that crack. Oh no! It just makes me go back. See, I need more rope.
How are you staying on? Alright guys, we are here at the tactical shooting range in Estonia, and from the looks of it, there's a lot of pretty insane guns here. Hopefully we get to shoot most of them. Super excited about the shotgun. Definitely want to shoot that thing. But yeah, this place looks crazy. So we're excited. Got gun range and then skateboarding.
I'm nervous.
Yeah!
Then I can't eat snakes in my bed. I can get no sleep. Bad living a broken heart. Bad living a broken heart.
He's the kill right here. Zombie mode.
working hard.
Did anyone hit the target? Successful day at the gun range. Estonia, simple session. Great start. That is a wrap for Estonia. Super fun contest, everyone killed it. Absolutely had a blast, but it's time to go home. So we're gonna go home, and first things first, we gotta do a Red Bulletin cover photo shoot. Pretty stoked on that. And I mean, after that, we're just gonna go to Australia. Australia's gonna be dope. I love it out there, so we're gonna have a blast. Can't wait.